Hello friends, you're welcome to our channel. Today we'll be unveiling the daily hamster combo, and to do this we have to assemble the right cards for today in order to unveil to receive our daily 5 million combo from Hamster Kombat. Alright, to do that we need to head on to our dashboard, and if you look at my dashboard you will see daily reward, daily cipher and daily combo, and the one we are interested on today is the daily combo. And to unveil it we have to tap on it. So to do that we click on the daily combo, or we can also click on mine, then it will still refresh. So either way you can choose any of them by clicking on the daily combo on your dashboard, or clicking on the mine with the axe symbol, and then you will get to this interface where you will mine or redeem your daily combo. Alright, if you are here as I am now, you will see your daily combo 5 million coin by the right, and also there are three cards that are having question mark that we need to unveil so that we'll be able to redeem our daily 5 million coin combo from Hamster Kombat. Alright, to do that we'll head away straight to unveil the cards. The first card we are to unveil today. Alright, the first card we are to assemble today is blocking suspicious accounts, and this card is located at PR and theme. So you just go to your PR and theme and you search for this name, blocking suspicious accounts. That's the card we have to unveil, or the first card we unveil. So I'll find mine. As you can see, I will just click on it and click go ahead, and boom, one of the cards have been assembled. So I have to also get other cards or assemble other cards. But before we continue, I beg of you to pause whatever you're doing, just subscribe to our channel, show us some love by doing this. Subscribe, like, turn on the notification button, and also drop comments in the comment section. You can also share to your friends so that they will also use this link to collect or to redeem or to assemble their own daily combo card. Please do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Alright, let's head straight away to unveil or to assemble the second card. The second card we are to assemble today again is compliance officer, and compliance officer is also located at PR and theme. So we just look for compliance officer. Okay, that is at the bottom of this, so we just click on it. There are other cards that you can mine. Hamster Kombat is not the only coin you can mine. You can just check down my channel, the description. You will see other coins that you can mine, the one you will answer questions, the one you will do other sorts of stuff in order to get more coin. Just keep mining, keep trying as you can to make sure you mine as much as you can, because you never can tell the one that will rake in more fortunes for you. Alright, we have assembled two cards, so it is remaining the last one that we have to assemble, and this one is YouTube 25 million, and it is located at special. YouTube 25 million, it is located at special. So I will just go to my special and look for it. If you have not used the card before, you will find the card in new cards, but if you have used it you will find it on my cards. So I have used it, so it is located right here on my cards. So you can see the YouTube 25 million. So I will just click on it, and that is it. I have assembled all the cards, and it's saying, yeah, the combo is complete, you are doing great. And then click on my take price, then I redeem my price, and that is it for today. We have assembled the daily combo for today, and our 5 million coins have been deposited in our dashboard. So if you look at it, my coin have increased by 5 million. So if you have not done yours, please, I ask you to just do that by following the procedures that we have taken to unveil your card. That is all for today, brothers and friends. Please do not forget to like our channel and subscribe, hitting or hit the subscription button. It is much important to us. This will encourage us to keep on making this kind of video for you and for other people who we desire to use this channel to unveil or assemble their daily Hamster Kombat. Okay, do not forget, in the next hours to come, we will be assembling the daily cipher. So remember to turn on the notification button so that you will also receive notification when we have posted the code for the daily ciphers. All right, thank you, and also follow the link here to check your today's daily cipher. Thank you and goodbye.